All right, so you guys requested a video going over standard deviation, so I'm going to do that for us. So with standard deviation, the first thing you need to do is you have to find the mean, first of all. So remember, the mean is the sum of all the data points divided by the number of data points. So in our case, I would take 13 plus 13 plus 14 plus 14 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 and divide it by 7. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I got 105, and I'm going to divide that by 7, which is 15. Okay, so I found my mean, it's 15. Now I'm going to take each number and subtract 15. So second step, take each point, subtract the mean. Okay, so I'm going to do that here. If you guys want to use a calculator to do that, that is perfectly acceptable. I'm doing mine in my head, but like I said, if you want to use a calculator, perfectly acceptable. Then you're going to square x minus the mean. And the reason I'm putting it in parentheses is because when you do this on a calculator, you want to make sure to put the parentheses. That's because anytime we square a negative number, it becomes positive. Remember, basically we're trying to find out how spread out the data is. So if we're taking the mean, the middle, we're basically finding the distance from each data point to the middle and then squaring it to make all of the distances positive. And then the fourth thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to sum all of the squares. From step 3. So I'm going to take 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9. And that's 24. In my fifth step, I'm going to take the sum and divide it by n minus 1. And remember, n is how many data points. So 24 is my sum. I'm going to divide it by 7 minus 1, which is 6. That is 4. So the last thing I'm going to do then is take the square root of the sum divided by n minus 1. So the square root of 4 in this case, which is 2. So these are the steps for finding standard deviation, and you can definitely use a calculator and take your time. This table, though, is to help you organize your steps and make sure you have everything in order. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later.